Yeah, I don't know.
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Wednesday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're halfway through the week. Gosh, it feels like it's just been a hard, long week already. But,
time is flying by.
A lot going on. Welcome to the show. Halfway through the week, we're here at the new work offices in Warsaw. The serviced offices, and of course at our great studio office here in Warsaw. So welcome. I'm here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of Europa Property. We just want to mention we've got our SCE Awards coming up, and 2 new sponsors signed up in the last few days. Not sure if I mentioned them before, but we have Build Green, which is based in Romania, but covering consultancy covering Central Eastern Europe now, and probably a bit in Western Europe. And we also have Emo Finance joining us, so another big investor developer on board for SCE Awards, taking place April 7th and 8th. So great list of jury members, speakers, award winners, award shortlisted. So check out the website, SCERealestateAwards.com, or just take a look at it on our website. A lot going on. A few interesting things that I just ran over on the news today that might be not necessarily real estate, but may help you out in business. The ministry in Poland, the ministry has kind of postponed their change for the company of postponing deadlines for reports and business plans. So that's good. Gives the entrepreneurs a little bit more time to go forward. One step, there's another company out of Hong Kong looking to build a waste incineration plant in Łódź. So that's good. That'll probably keep down some of the pollution of just people burning their own garbage, which is happening a lot in here. Wolf Summit is the biggest, I think the biggest startup and investment conference, which is starting, a technology conference. I think it's starting tomorrow. So if you want to get logged into that, if you're investor in technology, or if you've got an idea for technology, go to Wolf Summit website. A lot of interesting things. I think they have a couple thousand guys for that now, all online. A Polish startup company, another interesting thing, and maybe for some of you guys try to find office space for people. Tyco, which is a Polish furniture company doing personalized and sustainable furniture for Europe and beyond, just raised 22 million euros to launch their platform. So another company that if you weren't looking at them before for taking office space, now is probably a good time. They have got some money for probably expanding. Also, 800,000 PLN grant is waiting for entrepreneurs looking to start new businesses in the region. So another good opportunity there, and kind of a few more things happening in the news that we'll talk about maybe even a little bit later today. But Winston, let's jump into the commercial real estate news. I know you've got a lot going on Europa Property site and exciting things happening. So please, let's kick it off with some excitement now.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. Yeah, we'll start off in the investment market, and Cromwell Property Group, they've completed the acquisition of a portfolio of 11 logistics light industrial properties in the Czech Republic and Slovakia. The price was 113 million euros.
Mm-hmm.
And this has been heralded as one of the largest deals of this type so far this year. And Simon Garing, the CEO manager of Cromwell Property Group, obviously very pleased they're able to complete this portfolio deal in times of the pandemic. It's not easy to complete deals, visiting locations and getting the whole team together. So they're very happy to get this deal across the line. And they also say that they're looking at other areas in the market. Not just Slovakia and the Czech Republic, which are very important markets for them because being so well located next to Western Europe. And and according to David Svoboda, also from Cromwell, they've been active in the region for 10 years, and they're successfully managing more than 1 billion euros gross in assets.
Yeah, and we know them pretty well over the years from office investment and, of course, a lot of retail investment over the years. So good to see they're now big players in the industrial as well.
Yeah, and they acquired these projects from Arete.
Arete. Okay, good. All right.
Moving on, and Panattoni is going to deliver 30,000 square meters to Reynaers Aluminium near Warsaw. Reynaers is a European producer of innovative aluminium products for the residential market. And this is an international company with a turnover of 555 million euros, and the company employs around 2,400 people in 40 countries. And according to their general manager for Central and Eastern Europe, Andrey Klymenko, this is the first stage of their development, and they're also hoping to expand this project to 50,000 square meters.
Wow, so big. So it's
that's located.
Double it later on.
Yeah, that's located just outside of Warsaw, 30 kilometers away, and Marek Dobrzycki from Panattoni, he comments, and obviously he says that this project again is compliant with all the ecological technologies that they need or that tenants require for sustainable developments today.
I don't know how Marek has time to do all these projects with all the quotes he's also coming up with every single one, but yeah, absolutely.
Moving on into Serbia and Optim Project Management, sorry. They've won a new instruction where they're going to be working with Continental Automotive Serbia. They're going to be building a manufacturing facility in Novi Sad. The facility will have 30,000 square meters, and Optim will provide design management, procurement, construction project management, health and safety coordination, and site supervision services. And according to David Evans, the founder of Optim Project Management, he says this demonstrates the continued success of their company in the region. And they're hoping that this facility will be operational by 2023.
Right. Well, David, we know quite well, and has been working through many different crises. It's not surprising, one more, and and still expanding into Serbia. So great.
They've got a few deals that they've reported lately from Serbia. So a lot of business for them.
We know a lot of some of his competitors we haven't heard anything from, and hopefully they're okay, and then they're down there expanding. So well, good job.
Moving on, we'll go to Ukraine, and the EBRD has announced that it's supporting Ukraine's Dragon Capital with a couple of their developments there. The bank is extending a loan of $12.5 million for some warehouse buildings and an office building in Kiev.
Oh, great! Yeah.
And this is all going towards their sustainability action in the region. And as you know, the bank is. Sustainability is the heart of the bank's financing these days, and the Ukraine is one of the top 3 destinations of the EBRD.
Right. Yeah. Well, EBRD can take the risks, and they always seem to do well on a lot of these projects as well.
Yeah. In the last in the last 2 years alone, the bank has committed $2 billion to the economy.
Wow.
Yeah.
So big chunk of money.
So very invested in Ukraine. And then finally for today, MLP Group has announced that one of its projects in Pruszków has received an excellent BREEAM rating. So again, they're pushing their green credentials, calling themselves a green industrial developer. And this is, this is common for all the developers now, and it's a big remit on tenants' development rosters. They want sustainable developments, and it's good. That these important things are being allocated to developments today.
Yeah, when we started the Green Building Awards over 10 years ago, I think it was mainly just offices coming on board, and now it seems it's great to see that the industry for the industrial industry is focused on keeping the environment safe and still delivering what clients want.
Yeah. I mean, every project built today, this is just standard, I think.
Right. All right, well, do we have any more news? Or
that's it for today, Greg.
To the end? All right, gosh, it's always so exciting hearing what we're putting on our website, and of course what we talk about. So thank you, everybody. We got our SEE Awards coming up April 7th and 8th, so make sure you're signed up for that. Our Investment Awards, where we have new sponsors for that, which we'll talk about later, and new excitement on October 20th, 21st. And, of course, Retail Awards, January 26, 27, 2022. Enjoy the day. Have a good day. See you tomorrow, and stay safe.